hanging out in the nature center. Oh, it's so neat. I thought that was real. What's in here? Oh, these are some fossils.
I have a question for you. What's the difference between the black squirrels you see and then you go further south, you see the brown squirrel? What's the difference between them?
Not really much, it's just that their colorations.
Like more in the
Like
forest?
you have dog species,
Uh-huh.
things this way, the same thing, you just have a different color variation.
Okay.
And they are coming, it seems to be more and more breeding black squirrels around.
Yeah. I wonder if they, because they're more in the shaded and wooded areas.
Yeah, we still have the fox squirrel, the
Uh-huh.
orange color. The black seems to be moving it. They
Yeah.
must have it down on the cheek.
Is that
I think they're a little more aggressive too.
yeah, they.
That's how they are in New York too, the black ones.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're just seeming moving. Aggressive.
So
You
cute.
see more in the dark.
Oh, my new bestie right here. They have oh my word, it's a beaver. Oh shoot, this is. You see the beaver? It's massive. Holy smokes. I wonder who their taxidermist is. I've never seen a white raccoon before. And a red stripe. Oh wow. Look at that coyote. A red fox. Pine cones. Oh, I love pine cones. I hope I find a good one while I'm here.
Oh, you find some.
I still have those maple leaves I found on that beach from like
Yeah.